Ladies and gentlemen, I am thrilled to present to you an enthralling literary gem that immerses you in the fascinating life of Viliezhu Kent, a Naga iconoclast. This groundbreaking biography takes you on an enthralling exploration of the remarkable life and lasting impact of one of the most influential figures in Naga Baptist history, particularly among the Rengma and their neighbouring Sema tribes. Here are 6 key features of the book. 1. Captivating narrative. Viliezhu Kent, a Naga iconoclast, presents a gripping narrative that intricately weaves together the life, challenges and triumphs of Viliezhu Kent, a bold visionary who dared to challenge the entrenched heathen norms and pave the way for the thriving Christian community we see today. Join the author and delve into unheard stories and captivating journey of a true pioneer who fearlessly carved his path through adversity, leaving an indelible mark on Naga history and inspiring generations to come, particularly Rengmas and their neighbouring Semas. 2. Historical significance. This book serves as a window to the historical context of animist Rengma Naga and their neighbouring Sema Nagas and sheds light on the pivotal role played by Viliezhu Kent in shaping its trajectory. Readers will gain a deeper understanding of the two communities through the lens of this iconic figure. 3. Theological significance. Delve into the theological significance of Viliezhu Kent's life and teachings. Explore how his spiritual beliefs influenced his actions and shaped his vision for social change. This aspect adds a deeper layer of meaning to the narrative and invites readers to contemplate the intersection of faith and activism. Readers will gain by reinforcing their foundational biblical faith and conviction. 4. Inspiring story. Viliezhu Kent's journey is one of resilience, courage, and unwavering commitment to his mission and principles. His story serves as an inspiration to readers of all backgrounds, encouraging them to pursue their dreams and stand up for what they believe in. 5. Missional exploration. Through Viliezhu Kent, a Naga iconoclast, readers will immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of the challenges and prospects of the Great Commission. This book offers a unique opportunity to explore the intricacies of missions and gain a deeper appreciation and courage to look forward for this same missional heritage. 6. Significance and relevance. Beyond the boundaries of the Naga communities, the narrative of Viliezhu Kent holds profound relevance, echoing universal themes of faith, identity, mission, and societal change. This compelling account transcends cultural borders, offering readers from all walks of life a poignant exploration of the human journey. Whether you're drawn to biblical narratives, cultural studies, or simply intrigued by tales of resilience and transformation, this book invites readers from diverse backgrounds to discover shared truths and timeless lessons woven into the fabric of Viliezhu Kent's extraordinary life. So, regardless of where you come from, join the author, Peter T. Kent, and embark on a transformative odyssey through the remarkable life and enduring legacy of Viliezhu Kent, a Naga iconoclast. Whether you're a fervent bibliophile, a keen student of history, or simply in search of inspiration, this book guarantees to inspire you. An indispensable addition to every church and theological educational institution, this biography is a treasure trove for pastors, educators, leaders, evangelists, social advocates, elders, youths, and families dedicated to spiritual growth and missional journey. Seize the opportunity to claim your copy of this extraordinary narrative today. Order now and uncover the untold saga of a visionary leader who dared to defy convention. Contact numbers. Seminyu area, 705-303-709. Kohima area, 938-338-3634. Dimapur area, 8787625993.